Hello everyone, and welcome back to Homespot. Is your garden wall looking a bit bare this spring? Today we are diving into incredible DIY wall art ideas that use reclaimed wood and branches. We are going to turn everyday upcycled materials into rustic masterpieces that will make your neighbors amazed. Let's start building your dream garden. Breathe new life into a weathered wooden pallet by transforming it into a lush vertical garden. This project uses diverse succulents to create a living mosaic of colors and textures. It is a perfect rustic addition to any garden wall, blending natural decay with vibrant growth for a truly unique aesthetic that feels both ancient and fresh. Create a bold statement with this geometric sunburst made entirely from salvaged barnwood. The varying shades of gray and brown add depth and history to your outdoor space. It is a simple yet sophisticated way to repurpose timber scraps into a focal point that celebrates the beauty of natural wood in your vibrant spring garden landscape. Brighten up a shaded corner by repurposing an old window frame into a garden mirror. The reflective panes catch the vibrant colors of spring flowers, creating an illusion of space. Adding a small flower box at the bottom brings a touch of softness to the rustic, weathered wooden structure while framing your beautiful and blooming outdoor scenery perfectly. Why? This organic project uses polished cross-sections of fallen branches to form an intricate wood mosaic. The different rings and bark textures tell a story of nature's growth. Mounted on a stone or brick wall, it provides a warm, tactile element that perfectly complements the surrounding greenery and the delicate spring blossoms found throughout your backyard sanctuary. Transform simple glass mason jars into enchanting garden lanterns by hanging them from a reclaimed wood plank. These jars can hold candles or fairy lights to create a warm atmosphere during cool spring evenings. The copper wire accents and weather would give this project an effortless, rustic farmhouse charm that makes your outdoor living area feel truly sea. Ozzy utilized the natural curves of sun-bleached driftwood to create a one-of-a-kind wall planter. The hollowed-out sections are ideal for housing air plants and trailing vines. This sculptural piece brings the raw beauty of the coastline to your garden, acting as a stunning organic centerpiece against any wall while blending perfectly with the fresh growth of new spring willow. Avies give an old bicycle wheel a second life as a unique geometric trellis for climbing plants. The rusted metal spokes provide the perfect support for delicate spring vines like ivy or clematis. It is a brilliant example of industrial upcycling that adds height and architectural interest to your fence while celebrating the beauty of repurposed and weather-made. Reals. Bring a bit of woodland magic to your shed with this charming owl sculpture crafted from various log slices. By layering different sizes of wood, you create a textured and dimensional piece of art. It is an easy DIY project that highlights the natural patterns found within tree rings, making your garden wall feel more whimsical and inviting for Ev. Area 1. Repurpose a pair of weathered shutters into a stylish vertical rack for your favorite terracotta pots. The horizontal slats are perfect for securing hooks and hangers, turning a plain wall into a layered garden display. The distressed blue patina adds a soft, vintage feel to your outdoor sanctuary, beautifully contrasting with the bright and fresh colors of spring. Blooms. These hand-woven pockets made from willow twigs offer an organic way to display moss and ferns. The intricate weaving technique provides a sturdy yet flexible structure that blends seamlessly into a garden environment. It is a beautiful way to incorporate traditional craftsmanship into your modern rustic wall decor, creating a soft and living texture that feels varied. Natural. Turn broken ceramic plates into a dazzling work of art by arranging the colorful shards into a floral mosaic. This project captures the light beautifully and adds a permanent pop of color to your garden walls. It is a creative way to recycle old dishes into something spectacular that enhances the overall artistic feel of your blooming out. Or space. Lean a vintage wooden ladder against your garden wall to create an instant vertical display for potted flowers. By adding reclaimed wood planks as shelves, you maximize your growing space in a small garden. The chipped paint and worn rungs give it a timeless and authentic rustic appeal that fits perfectly within a natural and flourishing spring garden. In setting, use brightly colored vintage colanders as unique wall-mounted planters for a quirky touch of garden charm. The drainage holes make them perfect for flowers, while the metal handles provide easy mounting points. This project is a delightful way to upcycle kitchenware into vibrant, hanging garden wall art that adds a playful and nostalgic character to your outdoor ell. Having space. We have explored amazing ways to transform your outdoor space using simple, upcycled materials like old wooden branches. From living succulent pallets to rustic branch mosaics, these projects prove that you do not need a huge budget to create a stunning garden. If you enjoyed these ideas, please hit the like button, subscribe to Homespot, and comment below with your favorite project.